Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you can find information about online seminars and study manuals for exams P, FM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the Actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam P on probability. Let x and y be independent random variables, each with density f sub t of t equal to 1/2 theta for t between minus theta and 0 otherwise. If variance of xy is 64/9, then theta equals... Here's the solution. Note that both x and y have the uniform distribution on the interval negative theta to theta. Using the assumption of independence of x and y, we conclude that 64/9, which is the variance of xy, which is the expected value of xy squared minus the expected value of xy, the whole expected value squared, which is the expected value of x squared y squared minus the expected value of x times expected value of y, and the whole thing squared, because e of xy is e of x times e of y because they're independent, and also e of x squared y squared is equal to e of x squared times e of y squared because they're independent. Now notice that the uniform distribution on the interval of from minus theta to theta has the expected value, or the mean, of 0, and the variance of it is the length of that interval from minus theta to theta squared divided by 12, which is a fundamental property of uniform distribution, one-dimensional uniform distribution that you must know for the test. So the expected value of x squared is the variance plus the square of the first moment, which is theta minus theta, which is really 2 theta, the whole thing squared over 12, plus 0 squared. And this is multiplied by itself because it's e of x squared times e of y squared, and this quantity is the same for both of them, minus 0 squared times 0 squared. Well, this whole thing is equal to theta to the 4th over 9. And that means that 64/9 is equal to theta to the 4th over 9. So that theta to the 4th is 64. And of course, a square root of theta to the 4th is theta squared, and the square root of 64 is 8. So theta squared is 8. And that means that theta is equal to 2 square roots of 2, which is answer D. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to a Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.